Hello everybody. So this is the science notes of class 7th CBSE chapter 17 Forest our lifeline. First main answer the following. First question, explain how animals dwelling in the forest help it grow and regenerate. The animals in the forest are of various types. These could be herbivorous, carnivorous, microorganisms, etc. These play an important role of maintaining the food chain. So the first point is microorganisms convert the dead plants and animals into humus. This humus help in returning the nutrients back to the soil. These are absorbed by plants. The animals also help in dispersing of seeds of certain plants. Third point, the decaying animals' dung provides nutrients. So, the second question is explain how forests prevent floods. Forests prevent floods in following. First point, forests act as a natural absorber of water. It allows rainwater to seep through. Second point, in the absence of trees, the rainwater would hit the ground directly, resulting in flood. Third point, because of presence of trees, rainwater does not hit the ground directly. Fourth point, it rather hits the ground slowly, hence before flooding all the rainwater seeps through ground. So let us come to the third question, that is, what are decomposers? Name any two of them. What do they do in the forest? Decomposers are the microorganisms that convert the dead plants and animals into humus. Bacteria and mushroom are the types of decomposers. They help in the process of recycling the nutrients of decomposing various dead organisms such as plants and animals to form humus. Therefore, decomposers are helpful for the environment. So, the fourth question is explain the role of forest in maintaining the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Forests are called the green lungs. This is because plants of forests release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis and help in providing oxygen to animals for respiration. They consume carbon dioxide released by animals. In this way, plants help in maintaining a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So this is the diagram of oxygen and carbon dioxide, how it is transferred. So plants give out oxygen through the photosynthesis to the animals and humans give out carbon dioxide, which is essential for plants. So the fifth question says explain why there is no water in a forest. There is no water in forest because microorganisms act on the wastes and convert them into humus. The humus ensures that the nutrients are returned back to the soil. The sixth question, list 5 products we get from forest. The 5 products we get from forests are fruits, vegetables, medicines, oxygen, cereals. So let us come to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks A part says the insects, butterflies, honeybees, and birds help flowering plants in pollination. The answer is pollination. The forest is a purifier of dash and dash, air and water. C part says herbs form the lowest layer. The answer is lowest layer in the forest. The decaying leaves and animals' droppings in a forest enrich the soil. Eighth question, why should we worry about the condition and issues related for far from us? There are various reasons for which we should be vigilant about matter related to forests. First point, a decrease in forest would lead to an increase in carbon dioxide in air. This will lead to an increase of earth temperature. Second point, soil erosion would occur in these are no forests. Third point, floods would occur if there are no forests. Fourth point, forests provide shelter and food to living. So let us come to the ninth question. Explain why there is a need of variety of animals and plants in a forest. A greater variety of plants and animals in the forest help to regenerate and grow. Great variety of plants means more food and habitat for the herbivorous means more food for carnivores. Let us come to the 10th question. In figure 17.15, the artist has forgotten to put the labels and directions on the arrows and label the diagram using the tables. So these words have given in your text. So clouds, rain, atmosphere, carbon dioxide, oxygen, plants, animals, soil, roots and water table. This is the diagram of those words. Clouds, rain, oxygen, animal, carbon dioxide, roots, soil and water table. The 11th question says which of the following is not a forest product? First point, gum. Second point, sealing wax. Third point, polywood. Fourth point, kerosene. So answer is kerosene. Which of the following statements is not correct? So A part says forests product protect the soil from erosion. Plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. C part, forests influence the climate and water cycle. D part, soil helps forests to grow and regenerate. So the correct answer is option B, which is plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. So the 13th question says microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce. First point, sand. Second point, mushrooms. Third point, humus. Fourth point, wood. So the correct answer is humus. 14th question, deforestation may lead to floods. Why? Deforestation leads to flood as lesser number of trees will be available due to deforestation. In the absence of trees, the soil will not hold water, holding to floods. 15th question, write differences between decomposers and scavengers. So this is not mentioned in the text, but we have given difference between decomposers and scavengers are decomposers. There are the microbes which break dead and organic matter into simple molecules to used by plants again. Scavengers. These animals eat the body of the dead animals and are called cleaning agents of forest, for example jackal, fox, vulture, etc. So the examples of decomposers will be bacteria, mushrooms, etc.